Following the death of one of the Pwani University students, the institution through Pwani University Student Association (PUSA) has invited all students to a candle lighting session honoring the memory of the late Magonya Constance Lovin, who was said to pass away on 2nd February 2026 after drowning in Lumiriu River. The late Magonya was a second-year student here in Pwani University, pursuing Bachelor of Education Arts in Kiswahili under the School of Humanity and Social Sciences. The late was a Kenyan citizen from Homa Bay County, where he will be buried right on 19th February on Thursday 2026. The school being led by Pwani University Student Association leader Mr. Andrew Muteti will remember the late Magonya as a cheerful, God-fearing, and a well-determined student. Joma Isaac, Kusun University.